Hi, today I'm going to be telling you if Block Plus is a virus. Now, Block Plus is a game for PC, Android, and iOS, right? It's a pretty popular game. It's here on Google Play, and it's also here on web as well, right? On PC. Now, is it a virus? In short, no, of course not. It's not a virus. If it's a virus, it won't be available in Google Play Store, and even then, it's also available in iOS, which is known for its safe application ecosystem, right? It could be rigged, or if sometimes the game could be laggy, or your device could flag it as a false positive. Things like that could happen, but it's not definitely a virus. It's just a normal game that's just here, right? Even in the web version here, for example, I can play now and it's not a virus, right? It's safe. On the web, it's safe. And on the Google Play Store here, it's most definitely safe as well. Even then, it's also safe in iOS as well, since iOS is also known for its amazing security. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.